Hello folks, today I've been asked to come out here to take a look at how come their pavement, their driveway here, parking lot has broken up so bad. And if you can stand back here, you can see how it's literally humped up and raised up. But actually, I'm kind of surprised that they actually hired me to come out to take a look at this, because it's quite obvious. Look at this post. Somebody whopped the crap out of this post. Probably one of these truck drivers that don't know how to drive, and has literally hit that so hard that the footing underneath this is lifted up. Now, this kind of tells me more that has happened, because you can see how this has been already broken loose. Then come down here, and you can see where this rail's been hit, and this is broke. So what it's looking like at this store here, their truck drivers are non-operators, and they should not be allowed to actually even drive. Come on, look at the size of this driveway here. How much more do you need? Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate you.